In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble a 4-finger parallel gripper and a 4-finger circular gripper using our mGrip technology. mGrip is a modular tooling system that allows users to build custom grippers which are tailored to their specific application. With mGrip, there are over 10,000 gripper configurations that can be created, and today we'll be focusing on 2. To assemble both of these grippers, we need only 3 tools: a 7mm torque driver set to 2 Nm, a 4mm Allen key, and an adjustable wrench. First, we will start with the 4-finger circular gripper. This gripper is ideal for picking up roughly circular objects such as apples, cookies, and makeup compacts. To assemble this gripper, we need the following: a 4-finger circular hub, the upper hub, the robot adapter, a circular hub screw, an air fitting, 4 spacers, 4 finger modules, 4 tie rods, and 4 hex nuts. First, connect the upper hub to the circular hub and the robot adapter to the upper hub, making sure all the alignment pins fall into place. Next, place the circular hub screw through the assembly and tighten with an Allen wrench. Thread the air fitting into the upper hub and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Place a spacer onto one of the finger mounting points, ensuring the O-ring is facing the finger module. Next, place a finger module onto the spacer. Fasten these components together by threading a tie rod into the hub. Place a hex nut on the end and tighten with a torque wrench. Repeat this process for all remaining finger modules. Next, we will assemble a 4-finger parallel gripper. This gripper is best for picking objects such as lobster tails, corn on the cob, and lip gloss tubes. To assemble this gripper, we need the following: a 4-finger parallel hub, 4 finger modules, 4 spacers, 2 tie rods, 2 hex nuts, 2 hex caps, a robot adapter, an M6 bolt, and an air fitting. First, thread the air fitting into the 4-finger parallel hub and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Place the robot adapter on top of the hub, ensuring that the alignment pin falls into place correctly. Attach these 2 components by threading an M6 bolt into the hub and tighten with a 4mm Allen wrench. Next, connect a spacer to one of the finger mounting points and connect another to the opposite side. Place a hex cap into one of the finger modules and thread a tie rod through, tightening by hand. Push the tie rod through one end of the hub until the finger module attaches to the spacer. Place another finger module over the tie rod until it attaches to the opposing spacer. Fasten together with a hex nut and tighten with a 7mm torque driver. Repeat this for the remaining 2 finger modules.